Hey everyone, okay, so today's video, what I wanted to do was share with you 3 gorgeous, amazing, highly scientific, amazing products. Well, technically 2 are skincare products and 1 is, well, you'll see. And just go over why these things are so absolutely... Okay, so do you remember when I talked about Tursian a couple of videos ago? Now, I am a man of my word, look, I got a ton of it. So I really am testing it. I really am, because it is amazing. Tursian is a science-first luxury skincare brand which is focusing on clinically proven actives. Now, the R31 Eye Contour Brightening Gel is not a typical eye cream. It is an advanced treatment, honestly designed to target multiple concerns at once. So for me, it's always been about the eyes. They've always been my biggest concern. I don't know why, they just are. Now, what makes R31 different? Well, so first up, exosomes. This is basically a cellular messengers delivering growth factors, proteins, genetic material to promote deep repair and regeneration to the skin. So I love the sound of that. We've also got plant-based stem cells here which support skin rejuvenation. It protects against environmental stress and of course help boost resilience over time. Peptides, my favorite. At very high concentrations here, improve collagen production, skin elasticity, and of course, firmness. And we've also got bioferments and algae technology which work to brighten, depuff, and hydrate that delicate under eye area. Now this product is designed to target the root cause of your eye concerns, not just temporarily mask them like a lot of products. So we're talking reduced puffiness, improved firmness and brightness, dark circles, all of that gorgeous stuff. Also, by the way, it's gentle enough for the delicate skin around the eyes, but with high performance actives. This bit's very important because it is 75% active formula. Let that sink in, pun intended. Yes, it is on the pricey side, no doubt, but it really does work. Next up, Merit, the uniform. Now, I love this product. SPF 50 in a skin tint. It is about as perfect as you can get. It offers light to sheer coverage. It's not a tinted moisturizer. It's less coverage than that, but it offers a beautiful finish. You're getting an SPF of 50. It protects the skin. It is gorgeous. It is perfect. Your skin looks perfected. I use this, and this is the truth. I use this every single day. Every single day. It is perfect. I use about 1 pump. Yes, I know I'm not getting the exact SPF 50 on the label, but I'm okay with that because I use another SPF on top, so I'm fine. I spread it on the skin and it looks like skin. It lasts all day. My skin looks beautiful, hydrated, refreshed. Mwah! Lovely. Okay, so I wanted to go as advanced as possible here. Now, I have been testing out the brand new CurrentBody LED mask, which has 6 different wavelengths. 6. Now you all know I love CurrentBody. I've been using their LED products for years and yes, I use them every single day. Now this product here is not even out in the UK yet, jealous. Now it has 6 clinically proven LED wavelengths that provide red, near infrared, deep near infrared, blue, yellow and green light therapy. There is so many to choose from here. It is so exciting for me as an LED fan. It also has an LED facial mapping technology. I don't even know what that is, but I'm loving it already. However, don't panic. I am still loyal and love my red and near infrared Series 2 mask. I just love the simplicity of it. That's the one I use every single day. Now, while this one isn't available yet, the Series 2 is, and trust me, the moment this one is, I'll be screaming about it because all those different wavelengths, And there you go. As sciencey as it comes, honestly, it really is. Tursian is probably the most scientific brand I've ever come across. The results that I have been absolutely epic, and I'm going to get onto all of that in later videos because I'm still testing out everything and I want to do a truly thorough review for you. We've got the CurrentBody and of course Merit. Now while Merit may not seem that scientific-y thing, it really is because it just provides what I think most people want, protection for their skin with healthy color. All the information on everything is in the description bar. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. Bye-bye.